Just like us humans, machines like tractors and excavators can only do so much on their own. That's why we built tools specially made for our machines to use. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking over some impressive machines, as well as their attachments. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to see more like it. First up, we have a log splitter manufactured by LIDERAGRI, a French company. The device allows you to split logs easily. All you have to do is start its engine, place the log in front of the blade, and hold the machine's lever until the log is cut. When the lever is released, its blade automatically returns to position. You can set it horizontally or vertically. In both cases, it stands to a perfect height, which reduces fatigue while working. Next, we have the crusher bucket from VTN Europe. It is an excavator-mounted attachment that enables portable and cost-effective on-site crushing operations. It processes material on-site to make a sub-base, using readily available resources at a fraction of the cost compared to a standard jaw crusher. With a rapid and easy modification of the thickness of the entering material, the output material size may be adjusted from 13 centimeters down to 1.5 centimeters. The Pro 40 BPS from PROMOTECH is intended for beveling and facing pipes, tanks, or tubes with diameters ranging from 200 to 1000 millimeters. It consists of a high-speed rotary milling head with replaceable inserts that allow for effective and economical machining of bevel widths of up to 45 millimeters and angles ranging from 0 to 60 degrees. Internal beveling and J-groove and preparation are optional. It offers accurate bevels in a fraction of the time compared to traditional single-point machining. This feature saves time and money with excellent efficiency. Up next, we have water well drilling from BAUER Group, using their BG33 rotary drilling rig. It has a maximum drilling diameter of 2500 millimeters and a max depth of over 68 meters. It comes standard with either a CAT C13 Stage 3 or Stage 4 engine, producing 354 kilowatts, with a max torque of 342 kilonewton meters. All work can be completed from its ergonomic and comfortable cab, and even has heated seats. ACCU-CUT is known for manufacturing diamond saw blades for concrete. These are powered by gasoline, pneumatic pressure, hydraulics, or an electric motor, and are also known as road saws. You can use them to cut through tiles, bricks, concrete, blocks of stone, and other hard materials. Here we have a 91-inch diameter diamond blade from this company, cutting the paved concrete of the Pinellas Bayway Bridge in Florida. Next we have the CP3000 from HOMAN Equipment. It's a heavy-duty agriculture unit designed for wheel loaders, consisting of a robust plow blade and a seeder drum. The plow cuts through the soil to loosen the arable land. The drum seeder is positioned right after the blade so that the seeds spread over the plowed area. This 2-in-1 functionality saves time and money. Next we have air hydraulic jacks from MAMMUT, not to be confused with MAMMUT, ranging from 60 to 150 tons in lifting capacity. These have been devised for large mining and construction equipment, such as heavy-duty wheel loaders and dumpers. They use electrical power to push the piston with 12 bars of pneumatic pressure. The net weight of these is around 389 kilograms, and they come standard with pneumatic tires, meaning maneuverability is not an issue. You can use a remote controller and jack up at the push of a button. Next we have the DANUSER Hammer SM40, a unique hammer system designed for driving fence posts, guardrails, T-posts, and railroad ties. Its 40-inch drop hammer design achieves a full stroke with every cycle. An additional grapple can be installed, enabling grabbing the post off the ground, loading it into the machine, and driving it in the ground without leaving the skid steer seat. The hammer weighs 300 pounds when new. Up next are these wedge-type block forks from TECHNOMΗHANICÍ, designed for lifting and moving large and high abrasion blocks in extreme conditions. These can be mounted at the front of your heavy-duty wheel loaders, preserving their kinematics. The fork arms welded onto the carriage are made of Hardox 450, ensuring extended wear, flexibility, and impact resistance. They are wedge-type in design, which makes loading blocks easy. The Hammer S forestry cutter grinder is specifically designed to prepare the soil by grinding stumps and roots up to 60 centimeters in diameter and at a depth of up to 40 centimeters, resulting in an excellent outcome for sowing or planting without the need for any extra operation. This mulcher is intended for use with the most powerful tractors and by the most discriminating clients. It has unique alloy hammers with robust metal tips that are more durable and long-lasting. The rotor's hammers are strategically positioned to generate excellent shredding, and the shredded material is equally distributed throughout the landscape. Its hinged hood can be manipulated hydraulically or manually. Next, we have a vehicle washing system from a Turkish company, SANCAK. It has been developed for machines used in a wide range of areas, such as factories, construction sites, and solid waste facilities. The washing system provides professional and systematic cleaning of wastes such as mud, dust, and garbage from vehicle wheels and chassis. It works without personnel and automatically washes the vehicles at the time of entry and exit. It works on the closed-loop principle and uses the same water over and over as much as possible. Next, we have a heavy-duty bush rake that can uproot trees and vegetation, grass, and rocks. It is ideal for raking blade-plowed land. Its bearings and special seal arrangement on wheels and pin rake wheels can guarantee that no dust and soil can enter the hub under normal working conditions. No field lubrication is required. Its wheel frame tilts with hydraulic cylinders and does not raise the frame to take it in and out of operation. It also can rake sticks and forest debris as well as rocks. The ECOR Group is known for building scrap shear solutions that meet environmental impact standards. Here we have the company's Sisal 1700T in action. It's a large shear plant that can process any size of metallic scrap. It could even fit an entire large container with its hydraulic press section that offers up to 200,000 tons of pressing capacity. 2 high-capacity cranes are required to feed and handle the scrap. Last but not least, we have the SPALTFAST from BAST-ING. It is designed for splitting logs with lengths of up to 1 meter quickly and easily. Trunk diameter does not matter for this machine, as its full-length horizontal blade cuts the log before reaching the splitter. The knives then further split the wood and turn the output into square bars with a length of 1 meter. It comes standard with a toothbrush. Yes, that's the official term, which is used to remove the residue. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.